This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we'll be putting on new shocks on the Bosch Nexxt washer. Open the door. We'll remove the little spring clamp that holds this part of the door gasket. Let's just put our standard head screwdriver underneath, pull toward us, and that'll come off. And then we want to remove it from the lip, and then once you get it off you can just push it in. Okay, next we want to remove a few screws here that hold on the front of the control panel. So we have to get off these little pieces that protect the screws. So we're going to just use a little standard head screwdriver, pry these back. And they are mainly for aesthetics, although they could keep some of the detergent from corroding the screw. So we're going to be removing this front panel too. So on the side we have a little 12 15 that we removed. Machine screw on that side. And we'll do one on this side. We'll be removing this front panel next. Okay, we're going to be replacing the shocks on the Bosch Nexxt washing machine. And here's the part number. Here's the shock. And we just need, after we get the front panel off, we just need, it can also be done from the back panel, we need the shock and a 13mm wrench. So we got 13mm here. We've got one down here too, facing the other direction. So we'll get this one off first. There we go. Here's the top one. To the bottom one. Face the other direction. We're doing the rear shock now on the, the right side shock. It's 13mm. Take out this bottom bolt and then we'll do one there at the top. Got that loose, and then I'll just use this to take it out. You got it, so just pull that out. Yep, we'll do the top one. Alright, so now we're just tightening this one up. Okay, got that loosened. We can pull the bolt out. Here we go, there's the old shock. Okay, put the new one in. Alright, here's the new shock going in. Make sure that the metal shaft is on the bottom, plastic one is on the top. Get it in there roughly for now. Put the bottom shaft in. Okay. Let's get top one. Going from the front. We have to extend that a little bit. Get that to line up. You're gonna play with it a little bit until it lines up. There we go. Okay, this one's going in from the front. There we go. Alright. So, tightening that up, going to my left, getting it tighter and tighter. Alright, got it. I'm going for the upper one. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.